Hey guys, I'm back again with a new data preparation challenge video in Power BI. Now let me show you what's our next challenge is. So here we have an Excel file. Of course, you can download this file from the description below. So here we got the product ID and the product name, and here we got the cost, price, and the country. So this is the short form for the countries names here, and here we got the release date. So the challenge is, so here we have the release date. We want this release date to be formatted based on the country that we have here. So you can see for the US, so the different, so the date format is different here. You can see. So this means 23 July 2020. This one, and this for UK, this means 23 July 2020. So both having the different date format. So we need to format this using Power BI. So what I'll do, I'll go to this Power BI. I'll create a new file here. So I'll just close all. Okay, I'll close all. Now let me just open a new Power BI file, and I'll click on blank report. Let me just put my file where it is. Yeah. So this is my file. I'll click on open. We need to wait. Okay, we got this products data, and I'll click on transform data. Now what I'll do, I'll first of all, you can see we got product cost and price and country and release date. And first of all, I'll make sure this release date to be copied. So what I'll do, I'll make a duplicate of this so that we didn't lose any informations when we try to convert that in a date format. So what I'll do, first of all, I'll select this one and I'll try this. So you can see it is a by default a text format ABC. So this is also text, this is also text. So I'll select this and I'll left click on this and I'll select date. I can see for some rows, you can see for the UK, so the date format is correct here, and for the DE, maybe this is for Germany. Yeah, for Germany the date format is different, and for the US, sorry, we got some errors here because the default date format was the first one, that is the date, and second one, that's the month. So the for the US, the month is at the first and the date is second. So what I'll do, I'll make this, I'll select this first and I'll left click on this and I'll use using local. From the using local feature, you can select the different local date format. So I'll select data type to date here, and I'll select this as a US, where it is United States. Yeah, here. I'll select click on OK here. Now you can see. So this is formatted here. So now what I'll do, first of all, we have some errors here. You can see. I'll replace this error with some values. So I'll hold the control option and I'll select these two columns, and I'll go to this transform option and I'll go to this replace, and you can see we got the replace errors, and I'll click on here. So let's replace errors with some null. I'll click on OK. You can see, so replace is got replaced for the errors got replaced by null here. Now what I'll do to format this as a correctly based on the different date format, I'll merge these two. So if this state format is null, if this is null, then get the information from here, and if this is null, then get the information from here. So that's the code, that's the logic we want, that we want to do. So I'll what I'll do, I'll first of all go to this add column here, and I'll click on custom column, and this is my final, it's a final date, final release date. Let's say final release date, final release date, and I'll use if this release date, this one, first one, this copy. If that is equals to null, then get the date from the second one, or else get the date from the first one, this one. So you can see no syntax errors. So I'll click on OK. I can see, so this is got formatted correctly. Now let's delete these two. Let's delete these two, and we don't need this also. So first of all, I'll make convert this as a in a proper date format. So I'll left click on this and I'll click on date format. Now you can see this is converted in a proper date format. So let's delete this also. So this is how we solve this. This is how we solve this challenge. So hope you enjoyed in this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.